Welcome to Dorman Products Tire Pressure Monitoring System installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered medium difficulty, but some specialty tools are required by our technicians and should take approximately 15 to 20 minutes per tire. Begin the install by dismounting the tire and original sensor from the wheel. Next, clean the valve stem hole in the rim of any corrosion and debris. Take your new sensor and remove the washer, nut, and cap from the valve stem. Next, push the valve stem through the rim, then install the washer and nut, followed by tightening the nut and hand tightening the valve cap. Finally, hold the sensor body against the rim and install and then tighten the screw so that the sensor is flush against the rim. Repeat the procedure for any additional tires that need to have the TPMS sensors replaced.